Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download graphic card driver. So first you have to come gigabyte.com website and go to right side, just search button and enter your model number of motherboard. Enter B860ME, then hit enter. Then click to product. B860ME, click on that. Then click to support. Select your operating system which is using Windows 10 11. So if you are using any, so no worry, because installations process same, Windows 10 installations process same. Audio driver, and click to download. I already downloaded. Just click to download, it will start downloading. 165 size this is, and just open it. After that you can see this like that. Then double click to exe. Then click to yes. After that it is extracting to your system a driver. Now this is installing. Wait few seconds, it will close automatically, means this is installed. And it is closed, and then install it. Chipset driver. See, this is processing, and click to download. It will start downloading. See here. So it is downloaded 96.5. Open after download, then double click to launch for the installation. And click on yes. Now this is installing. Close it. LAN driver, and you can download icon, you just click on that. After download, it will start downloading. You can see 10.2. Just open and double click to then click to yes. So it will close automatically. This is installed. Last, come the last VGA driver. So Intel VGA driver, and this is size and all, and this is download button. Just click to download, it will start downloading here. You can see like that. So which is 915. After download, you open it. Then click to yes. Now this is installing. And it is done, means this is closed. So guys, other also is there, BIOS and VGA, so all try to latest. Okay.